When I want a meatless meal, this is one of the dishes I make. I feel terrible when I make it though, because my ex-girlfriend's daughter wanted to make it on one of our camping trips, but I shut it down when she said how long it takes, and the lack of grilled meat, which is half the point in camping. Home it's a little easier to make, and I finally got the recipe to where I want it in terms of taste and nutrition. So here's my lentils and rice recipe. I start by soaking a half cup of lentils in 2 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of salt for an hour. Dice up half a medium onion and saute on medium-low in a 2-quart Dutch oven. I want the onions to start becoming translucent and releasing their juices. I suck at caramelizing onions, or I would do that. Then I drain and add the lentils to the pot. Turn the heat up to medium and saute for a couple minutes. I eyeball the spices, but it's about half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of garlic powder if I don't feel like getting my hands smelly with fresh garlic, and some cayenne pepper, which I forgot until the end. The spices should toast for a minute before adding a half a cup of quick cook brown rice, half a can of diced tomatoes, or fresh, depending what you have available. Then in goes a cup of water and a squirt of concentrated stock. I'm using chicken stock, but you can get this in vegetable as well. Turn up the heat and bring the mix to a boil. Cover and put it on a simmer burner for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I clean and chop up some Brussels sprouts or broccoli or green beans, depending on what I have. Then I add it to the pot about 10 minutes into the simmering. After the 15 minutes, I turn off the burner and let the dish rest covered for 10 minutes. Serve it in a bowl with some fresh lemon juice on top, maybe an extra squirt of olive oil, kalamata olives, feta cheese, green onions, chopped parsley would be nice to top it with too.